Do you want to have your image from this blurry photo to this? Okay, so stick around to the end of this video and we're going to look into it together. So welcome to this channel once again. If it's your first time visiting my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do also like and also share with those who you think actually need this. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just dive into it. Okay, so now let's move on. So I'll be talking about an AI, which is, you can get it by just visiting imglarger.com. You can see that right there, imglarger.com. Okay, so now here is it. It actually helps us improve our image quality, and which is actually interesting. Okay, so it's simple. Here is how it is done. All you have to do is just select your image, select your preferred image that you know is actually blurred. Just select it. Alright, it's done. And what I want you to do right now is ensure that the image is on 4x. Okay, make sure it's on 4x, and then what you're gonna do is just hit this blue button right here to upload. Okay, so now it's progressing. Give it some time. Alright, so here we have it. It's uploaded. Awesome. So now let's check out the results. I know you want to see the results. Alright, let's check it. Let's check it out. Okay, boom. So here we have it. Our image has been improved. Alright, so this actually helps us a lot, for someone that doesn't have any idea of softwares like Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator or any other design software. This is actually a helpful tool, alright, that can ease you of the stress. Okay, so all you just have to do is go to imglarger.com and upload your images, and just follow the step I've shown you earlier, and it's simple. All you have to do to get this image is just hold on your phone screen, or if you're using your desktop, just right click to download. All you just have to do is just hold on the screen and then download your image. Give it your preferred name. Alright, so once you're done, just hit download, and boom, we have our images stored. Alright, and it is improved compared to the initial one. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and so as to be the first person to get my videos when it is released. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family that needs this. Alright.